Lost your wallet? Panic setting in because your Revolut card was in it? It's a scenario none of us want to face, but in today's digital world, losing your main payment method can feel like losing access to your lifeblood. Whether it slipped out of your pocket, was left on a bar, or worse, was stolen, the immediate question is, what do I actually do right now? And perhaps more importantly, how safe is my money in the meantime? Revolut is all about giving you control, and thankfully, they've made the process of dealing with a lost or stolen card quick and painless, often from the palm of your hand. Before you dive into the frantic search, your very first step should be to secure your funds. The absolute simplest and quickest thing you can do is freeze the card. Open your Revolut app, head over to the cards section, select the card you've lost, and tap the freeze button. This action instantly blocks all physical and online transactions. Think of it as hitting the emergency stop button for your money. No one, not even you, can use that card until you unfreeze it. This immediate security measure is crucial and takes mere seconds. Now, once the card is frozen, you need to decide, did I just misplace it, or is it gone for good? If you think it might just be hiding under the sofa or you left it at a friend's house, keep it frozen while you search. If you find it, you simply unfreeze it in the app, and you're good to go. No need for a replacement. However, if you're certain it's lost, or if it was definitely stolen, you need to move to the next step, ordering a permanent replacement. In the app, still in the card section, you'll find an option to report lost/stolen and order new card. When you select this, the app will permanently cancel the lost card. Be warned, once canceled, this specific card can never be reactivated, even if it turns up later. Revolut will then prompt you to order a new card. You can choose a standard delivery, or if you need it urgently, you can pay for express shipping. They'll also give you the option to set up a virtual card immediately, which you can use for online shopping and linking to services like Google Pay or Apple Pay while you wait for the physical one to arrive. A common worry is about unauthorized transactions that might have slipped through before you froze the card. If you spot any suspicious activity, immediately file a dispute through the app. Revolut has robust fraud protection, and provided you haven't been negligent, they will investigate and aim to reimburse you for any genuine unauthorized use. So, to quickly recap the 3 essential steps, freeze the card immediately in the app, determine if it's permanently lost, and if so, report it as lost/stolen and order a new one. The entire process is designed to put the power back in your hands, ensuring the security of your account is paramount, and minimizing the time you're without a working card. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.